yeah.
Very nice. Whoever has it.
Yep, it's mine.
It's yours.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
It is yours?
No.
What was the answer?
Oh.
No, I was lying.
Was the answer yes? It is yes?
No, I was kidding.
He's kidding around.
What?
He's kidding.
Oh, I
not
didn't.
his.
I can't hear it because my hearing is bad.
Australia?
Yeah.
What part?
Uh-oh.
Is this yours?
Yes, it is his.
Yes, it is.
It is yours.
Yes, it is.
Figures it would be yours. I'm looking at this saying, this is
A big
beautiful.
guy, a fat lady trying to squeeze in a
No,
small
you just, if it belongs to someone, he's generally taken about 100 pictures of the same car that he owns. Right?
How long have you had this?
Right?
6 or 7 years, but
Yeah, I knew I hadn't seen it.
Well, it's the first time you've had it here.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
So
We
you-
haven't seen it before.
So you kind of said a little bit to me earlier, but it's a 67, right?
67, 289 car, SunBeam Tiger, built in England by Tiger, designed with a Shelby influence, putting the 260 motor in it originally.
Yep.
Then they upgraded to the 289 motor, like this car.
Yep.
Chrysler bought the company, said, what the hell are we doing with a Ford engine and a car and a company that we own? Stop it right now. And that was the last 400 units that were made. And so on the side, you'll see the Chrysler. So it's 3 manufacturers, Chrysler, Ford, and SunBeam.
And they only made 400 of these
Yeah,
cars in
400 of these cars.
67. Okay.
And obviously made for export. It was made in England.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen one.
And by the way, the exhaust sounds really good.
I love the color.
It's not.
Go
it's
ahead.
not
Yeah,
too
you can walk in
loud
front of me.
or
That's
dry.
okay. Yeah, go for it. No, yeah. No, yeah, that's okay. It's a beautiful car.
Every time you turn a car, you go in case you were going to go up against in a compete, and then you go.
This is what he was saying about the all the logos got a Chrysler logo on the side, which is very interesting.
I like that car.
And with Kip's stuff meticulously
Oh yeah.
Meticulously
that's fine.
restored.
When you change what it was and it came off the showroom floor, first of all you take
I saw
the
a
value
couple
of
lights
the car
smell
down.
when we were over there
Right,
in the car.
right. Immediately.
I went and looked at it,
The
Dave.
wheels on.
Lee, what's up?
An old Tiger. This is rich.
It's one of 400 with the 289 in it.
I don't remember these wheels. Not at all.
This car had 70,000 original miles on it when I got it.
Yeah.
And it was in good
Wow,
shape.
really?
My friends were like, "What are you nuts?" And I'm like, "No, I can't leave it the way it is." I wanted it fresh.
Well, these were a dime a dozen in Australia. We have lots of them over there.
Yeah, the
And the normal Alpine, they were
the 260 motor, yeah,
yeah,
or the
two dimes for a dozen. Huh?
The 4-cylinder.
Yeah, nice colour, and also sounded very nice. They had a great exhaust noise. They had a great exhaust noise. Did you not know that?
No.
Oh, they sound really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone that gets their hands on one of those always stuffs at 260.
And it also came with a nice overdrive gearbox. Nice car.